Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can see your Gmail ID on your mobile device. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, be sure to leave your likes, and don't forget to write comments at the end of the video. And let's get started. First of all, please go to Gmail. Now in the upper right-hand corner, click on your profile picture. Now manage your account. Next, under your name, you'll see a menu like this, which you can flip through and scroll through until you find Security. Click on that, and in Security already scroll down to the bottom. Here you will find a section called Password Management. Please click on it. And here you will be able to see absolutely all the passwords that are tied to this Gmail account. And let's say, if you want to know some password, then just go to the application that you need. And so you'll see this kind of information about yourself. What you're going to need is a password. And here you will be able to either view that password if you click on the eye sign to see it. You'll also be able to easily copy that password by clicking right here. And then paste it wherever you need it to log in. Friends, this is the simple way you can find and see your Gmail ID password on your mobile device. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.